This tool might be the perfect homeowner's gadget. It can measure distances up to 80 meters. It's a digital tape measure, can find angles for you, and for little jobs around the house like putting up photos or shelves, it can save you grabbing a spirit level. This is a CIGMAN CD-80, so let's have a proper look. Just a quick one, CIGMAN offered to send me one of their laser levels, but I've already got one, so I asked them if they would send me 2 laser measures instead. This is a CD-80 and its bigger brother, the CD-120G. I'll show you how they actually are for real life DIY use. These are both 4-in-1 tools, but their bread and butter is the laser measuring. We're just starting our guest bedroom renovation, so I use them to measure the walls, the ceiling height, and then to work out the flooring area, because that is the stuff that you're actually going to need before you start buying materials. The CD-80 is perfect for this, quick point and click and you've got a reading. Now the CD-120 has got a feature called point-to-point. You put the unit on a tripod, pick point A, pick point B, and it tells you the distance between them. Really handy, especially if it's somewhere you can't easily reach. For anything critical, I'll still double check, but for planning out a room like this, it's just so much quicker than wrestling with a tape measure on your own. Right, that's the main use. Now let me show you the other built-in features on this CD-80 that make it such a handy little homeowner's tool. As well as being a laser measure, you also have a really nifty built-in tape measure. This isn't something I've tried before, but it's actually pretty cool. You can use this tool as a standard tape measure. Interestingly though, the 80 measures from the back of the unit and the 120 measures on this mark here. They're both between 1 and 2 millimeters out from my tape measure, which I always presume is accurate, but the lasers themselves seem pretty bang on. I compared them to my Homeowner laser measure and I got similar readings on all three, and over a 3-meter span, the 80 and the 120 were only 2 millimeters apart, but I put this down to the walls not being perfectly straight and parallel. As well as measuring, this tool has a handy built-in level. Now, I'm not saying this replaces a proper spirit level for bigger jobs, but for little DIY things around the house, like putting up a photo frame or a small shelf, it can save you grabbing one. So with one tool you can measure and mark your holes and then get everything level. Again, if I'm doing something more accurate, I'm always going to use a spirit level, but for quick jobs like this, it's actually really handy. Both also have an angle finder built in. In the workshop, this is handy if you want to do an angled cut. And in the house, it's useful if you need to find the angle of something like a banister or paneling. Right, so that's the CD-80. Now let's get on to the CD-120G and what it can do. Indoors, lasers are brilliant, but the moment that they start to become a bit of a pain is outside or over long distances, because you can't see the dot and it turns into guesswork. Even on a dull day like this, you can barely see the red laser of the CD-80, even over a short distance. And that is exactly where the CD-120G comes in. Not only does it have a green laser, which is more powerful, it's got a built-in camera point finder, so you can actually aim it properly in daylight. This one can do everything that this one can do, but more. It has 120 meters range rather than 80, hence the names. It has that handy point-to-point mode that the 80 doesn't. More measuring features and modes, it's more rugged. And then the best feature is the camera. With this, you're not guessing where the laser dot is. You're aiming using the screen on the exact point that you want. That's why this one makes so much more sense if you ever measure outdoors. Ideal for garden projects, exterior walls, anything really in daylight, because it's just so much easier to aim accurately. You can even use the point-to-point feature to measure stuff like upstairs window openings or the distance between two objects. Indoors, both are great, but if you want one you can confidently use outside, this is the one. If you're mainly doing DIY indoors, measuring rooms or flooring, walls, furniture, that sort of thing, the CD-180 is smaller, cheaper, and it does everything that you're going to usually need. If you're going to measure outdoors and you just want a more capable tool overall, go for the CD-120G, especially because of that camera. This exact CD-80 is going to be going into my 10k subscriber giveaway. So if you want a chance to win this along with some more great prizes, make sure you're subscribed. Let me know down in the comments if you regularly use a laser measure and which one you would have between these two. As always, thank you for watching and I'll see you in the next one.